Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize the guide menu right here on your Xbox One. So let's say we want to go ahead and switch our profile over here to the left a little bit more. We can easily do that. So we want to back up and then go to the home screen and go to Settings. Now under General, we want to go to the right to Personalization. Now the first option is Customize the Guide menu. So let's go ahead and go to our profile now and move this all the way to the left. Then we can go to Close, and we can press the Guide button. We can see our profile is now the first option in our Guide menu. So it's very easy to go ahead and switch this all around. You can do anything you want with it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.